We couldn't be more excited to finally put the finishing touches on our store in Texas. Our Webster team has put in extra effort to make that happen. We're extremely proud of this store and what it adds to the community. Just a lot of good things going on in Houston, and it's a very diverse community. People come from really all over the world there. I think our store will serve the whole city, not just individual pockets.
The area is approaching 7 million. The city of Houston itself passed Philadelphia as far as population. So, we felt we're already starting to deliver there a lot. Kind of why not make a big investment?
We make it a pleasant shopping experience. We don't have the up system where a salesman follows the customer around and kind of hassles the customer. And we have a huge selection. Our showrooms are 150,000 square feet, which is bigger than anybody's. So we have a huge selection. We sell honest, we don't oversell, we don't overpromise. People come back and buy from us again and again and again. And that's what we have going for us.
I think Jake's philosophy comes through in everything that we do as a team. We want to keep it simple. We want to be the best. We strive to do it right the first time. And so we're all driven by that. And the people that we've hired here in the process, we've talked about that and we've made that at the forefront of everything that we do.
We've had people actually cry. They're so excited to be here. We've had people coming in early and staying late and working super hard to help us get ready to go. We're super grateful for that, just for opening, and everybody in the community has been phenomenal.
Well, the first thing you can expect is the newest styles and great prices.
Expect a big welcome and expect to walk away with a great shopping experience that you'll want to tell your friends about.
What really makes me happy is people come up to me and say, Jake, thank you. Thank you for American Furniture Warehouse for having a great company at great prices and taking care of us.